Today we will take you into the world of stories. Welcome to our channel. Have you ever wondered what Bitcoin really is? Is it just digital gold, a get-rich-quick scheme, or something much, much bigger? Welcome to the wild ride of Bitcoin, where technology, finance, and politics collide in a spectacular digital revolution. Let's rewind to 2008. The global financial system was on the brink of collapse. Trust in banks and governments was shattered. Then, out of nowhere, a mysterious figure named Satoshi Nakamoto published a paper. It proposed a new kind of money, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. This wasn't just another digital payment app. This was Bitcoin, a decentralized currency, free from the control of any single bank or government. So, what makes Bitcoin so revolutionary? It's all about decentralization. Traditional money, like the dollar or the euro, is controlled by central banks. They can print more money, which can lead to inflation and devalue your savings. Bitcoin is different. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. This fixed supply is written into its code, making it a scarce digital asset, much like gold. Transactions are recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain, secured by a global network of computers. This means no single person or entity can alter transactions or control the network. It's money for the people, by the people. From its humble beginnings, Bitcoin has been on an incredible journey. In the early days, it was a niche interest for cypherpunks and tech enthusiasts. You might have heard the famous story of a programmer buying 2 pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoins back in 2010. Today, that would be worth hundreds of millions of dollars. As word spread, Bitcoin's value began to soar, attracting investors, speculators, and, of course, a lot of media attention. We've seen breathtaking bull runs where prices skyrocket, and gut-wrenching crashes that test the nerve of even the most seasoned holders. This volatility is a hallmark of Bitcoin's youth. It's a new asset class, finding its place in the world, and that process is naturally chaotic. But Bitcoin is more than just its price. It's a political statement. In countries with unstable economies and high inflation, like Argentina or Venezuela, Bitcoin has become a lifeline. It offers a way for ordinary people to protect their wealth from government mismanagement and currency devaluation. It's a tool for financial sovereignty, giving individuals direct control over their own money. No one can freeze your Bitcoin wallet or block your transactions. This power is profoundly disruptive to the traditional financial order. Naturally, this disruption hasn't gone unnoticed by governments and regulators. The political battle over Bitcoin is heating up around the globe. Some countries see it as a threat. China, for instance, has cracked down hard on Bitcoin mining and trading, citing concerns about financial stability and capital flight. They're instead pushing their own central bank digital currency, the digital yuan, which gives the state even more control over financial transactions. It's the polar opposite of Bitcoin's decentralized ethos. On the other hand, some nations are embracing the revolution. Take El Salvador, which made history by becoming the first country to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender. The move was controversial, but President Nayib Bukele argued it would boost financial inclusion for the 70% of Salvadorans without a bank account, lower remittance costs, and attract foreign investment. It's a bold experiment, and the whole world is watching to see how it plays out. Will it be a masterstroke or a cautionary tale? In the developed world, the debate is more nuanced. The United States is a key battleground. Regulators are grappling with how to classify Bitcoin. Is it a commodity, like gold, a security, like a stock, or a currency? The answer will have huge implications for taxation, investor protection, and the future of the crypto industry. Some politicians champion Bitcoin as a symbol of innovation and American leadership in technology. They see its potential to challenge the dominance of the traditional financial system and foster a new wave of economic growth. Others are more skeptical. They worry about its use in illicit activities, its environmental impact, and the risks it poses to consumers who may not fully understand what they're buying into. The energy debate is a big one. Bitcoin mining, the process that secures the network, is energy intensive. However, The industry is rapidly shifting towards renewable energy sources, and proponents argue that it can even help stabilize power grids by using excess energy. This political tug-of-war in the US will shape the future of crypto, not just domestically, but globally. So, where does that leave us? Bitcoin is at a crossroads. It has evolved from a fringe experiment into a multi-trillion-dollar asset class that is forcing a global conversation about the very nature of money. It's a technological marvel, a volatile investment, and a powerful political symbol all rolled into one. The digital revolution that Satoshi Nakamoto started over a decade ago is no longer just a possibility. It's happening right now. We are witnessing the birth of a new financial paradigm, and the political battles being fought today will determine its future. Will it be integrated into the existing system, or will it forge its own path, creating a truly decentralized alternative? The ride has been wild so far, and it's only just getting started. What do you think is next for Bitcoin? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of Bitcoin, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on technology, finance, and the future. See you in the next one.